Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the flight controller and immediate test gear so wiring mistakes don't cost parts. First, confirm the controller model and compatible firmware, because flashing wrong firmware breaks telemetry. Once done, power the board using a bench supply or BEC rather than a battery to control voltage. Make sure props are removed and the board sits on an insulating pad. Then connect ground first, then VCC, and plug USB to your computer so configuration tools detect the device. Now you flash or verify firmware and bring sensors online to ensure reliable flight behavior. You should run the configurator tool, backup current settings, then update firmware if needed. This prevents mismatched features. Next, calibrate the accelerometer and gyroscope so the controller knows orientation, and calibrate the compass if present because navigation relies on it. Then map RC channels and set fail-safe values. This makes sure the vehicle stops motors safely if signals drop. Finally, enable telemetry to watch. You finish by validating motors and doing incremental flight tuning to confirm stability. Begin with low throttle spin tests while props are off. Verify each motor direction and look for abnormal vibration or heating. Once motors behave, arm the controller in a safe area and perform small hops or tethered hover, making PID adjustments one axis at a time. If something goes wrong, check wiring and grounds first, then recalibrate ESCs and sensors. Swapping a suspect ESC or motor often isolates faults quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.